know, draft dodgers are a great product for draft proofing your doors, but sometimes things go wrong. Hi, I'm Maurice Baynett, I'm Technical Director at EcoMaster. And in this video we're going to look at what happens when you put the draft dodgers in the wrong place. So maybe you didn't watch the video and you didn't use the fitting packer, so the draft dodgers are too close to the door and making it hard to close, or perhaps you set them too far away from the door and now they don't actually draft proof the door at all. So what to do? Well, we have to get the draft dodgers off the jamb. So we've chosen the adhesive on the back of draft dodgers to make maximum bond strength with your door jamb. So how to get them off without damaging the door jamb is what we're going to look at in this video. What you don't do is actually just grab them and pull them off, because chances are you're going to take the paint off your door jamb and we don't want that. So the way to get draft dodgers off when they've been put in the wrong place is to get a long knife and actually cut the adhesive down the middle. So part of the adhesive stays on the draft dodgers and part of the adhesive stays on your door jamb. So once we've done that, the draft dodger will come off, and then we'll just use our thumb to roll the adhesive off the door jamb. And there we go, job done. So let's take a close-up look at how to do that now. So once we've cut the adhesive in half, half stays on the draft dodger and half stays on the door jamb, and we just need to roll it off, okay? Now, if it's bonded properly, this can take a little while, but just persevere. It does roll off, like that. Sometimes you can stretch it off. Whether you can do that or not, just depends on how much adhesive is left on there. But that's basically the process. You can roll it off like that and your door jamb is good as new.